Coinbase app freezes and blue screens often stem from software conflicts, resource limitations like low memory, or server-side delays during peak trading times. A blue screen typically indicates a loading error or crash. These issues are common but fixable. It is important to diagnose the specific problem to apply the right fix. Force stopping the app closes it completely, resolving temporary glitches. On iOS, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the app switcher. Then swipe up on the Coinbase app to close it. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Coinbase, and select Force Stop. Reopen the app to see if the issue is resolved. Clearing the cache removes temporary data that might be corrupted, causing freezes. This process only applies to Android. Go to Settings, select Apps. Choose Coinbase, tap Storage, select Clear Cache. Note, clearing data will delete all app data, essentially resetting the app. Only clear cache first. If problems persist, then clear data as a last resort. Ensure you're running the latest version of the Coinbase app. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can resolve freezes and blue screens. Check the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android for available updates. Keeping your app updated is crucial for stability and preventing issues. Coinbase requires compatible devices and operating systems to function properly. Ensure your device meets minimum requirements for smooth operation. Check these minimum requirements: iOS 14.0 or later, Android 8.0 or later, at least 2 GB RAM, and a stable internet connection. For iOS devices, update your operating system by going to Settings, then General, and selecting Software Update. Download and install the latest version to ensure compatibility. For Android devices, navigate to Settings, then System, and select System Update to check for and install the latest operating system version. If other solutions fail, reinstalling the Coinbase app provides a clean slate. First, uninstall the app from your device. On iOS, tap and hold the app icon, then select Remove App. On Android, tap and hold the icon and drag it to uninstall. Next, download and install the latest version from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Finally, you'll need to log back in after reinstalling. Network issues can cause the Coinbase app to freeze or show loading screens. Coinbase requires a stable internet connection to sync data and load content. First, check that you have a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is preferred over cellular data for better reliability and faster speeds. If the connection seems weak, restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This clears any temporary network issues. If problems persist, try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using mobile data as an alternative to test if the issue is network-specific. If none of the troubleshooting steps work, contact Coinbase support for further assistance. Provide details about the issue, your device, and the steps you've tried. They may offer account-specific solutions or be aware of widespread issues. Only use official Coinbase support channels to avoid scams.